Hello Elite owners, this is Will and I'm a product concierge here at Mercedes-Benz of Walnut Creek. Today I'm going to be going over your dynamic select feature in this 2020 model GLB 250. First things first, your dynamic select switch will be right here in the center next to your touchpad, and we'll say dynamic with two arrows. Your toggle switch can scroll up or down depending on which way you'd like to navigate through your selects. Up here on your main screen, it will inform you which dynamic you're going to be in. So right now we're in eco mode, which resulting in better fuel economy coming from the engine. Next up from that is your comfort, which does everything exceptionally well. And then you have sport, which is you're going to have a little bit more throttle response coming from the engine. And then all the way at the top is individual. So this is the one that you create. Settings button right over there. And you can select your drive, steering, or even your ESP function, which is going to be your traction control if you'd like to turn it off.